Welcome back to WIP Wednesdays, Daydreamer. Today we're going to be building Ramba Ral's MS-04 Bugu.
Have you ever been building a kit while daydreaming about building another kit? That's how you get to WIP Wednesdays.
WIP Wednesday!
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
So I have not built many of the high-grade Origin kits, and I'm a little disappointed myself for that. This kit was really cool. It has a lot of really great detail. It is, of course, simple because it's a high grade, but yeah, the engineering is pretty solid on this guy. And of course, who doesn't like Ramba Ral? Seriously, who doesn't like him? Because I'll find you, and we will debate this. Nah, I'm just messing with you. He's one of my favorite pilots, outside of probably Char. To enjoy most of the Gundam-type kits as much as I do. Because, I mean, who doesn't like a hero mobile suit or a protagonist out of a series? I do tend to, I don't know, just lean more towards the, well, first of all, if you grew up in the, 80s and 90s, you remember the book fairs for the Ferraris and things like that. The posters that they used to have, the Ferrari posters and Lamborghinis and things like that. So the Lamborghini Diablo was always on there, and then that Ferrari red, I remember that. And I remember at some point they started having girls on the posters, and, well, it's a special time in anybody's life. It was something that it sticks out in my memory. So I love Char's suits, even though on the cartoon it was always like a pink kind of suit. Anyway, Ferraris and babes and posters and lots of nostalgia, I think, led me to really enjoy Char's mobile suits. And Char isn't exactly not a badass, but Ramba Ral, as a normal guy, loved him because he has this iconic, that's no Zaku kid. And then looking at the Origin, if you haven't seen that yet, watch the Origin. Seriously, watch the Origin. I think it might still be on YouTube. It's definitely on Hulu still. So watch the Origin series, and you'll see why it is that I really like Ramba Ral. Now that all that pilot talk is over with, and I've kind of fanboyed over the pilot of this kit, and I really think this is a solid, really good looking kit out there for the HG line. I've been told by my friends that have built more of the Origin line of high-grade kits that they're all really solid like this. They just look good. There's a lot of detail for them to be a high grade, and out of the box, snapped together, good. Looking good. As always, I will show you the fully assembled kit at the end of the video in the photo booth, and you can kind of see for yourself, make your own judgment as to, if you think it's a really good kit or not. And if you like the video, you like seeing these kits be assembled on WIP Wednesdays, or if there's something else that you want to see assembled on WIP Wednesdays, or just another project, always leave that in the comments below. As well as, if you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And if you, in fact, did like this video, please like this video. And besides that, here is Ramba Ral's Bugu.